Today, we are gonna fix Roblox error code 272 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The first solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To completely uninstall Roblox, we need to clear Roblox's cache files from our computer. To clear Roblox's cache files, we go to the search section and open run. Then, we type %data% in the search bar and click OK. We find the temp folder inside the opened file and double click it. After that, we find Roblox. Right click on it and click the trash icon. We have cleared Roblox's cache files from our computer. To clear Roblox's cache files from our browser, we open our browser and click on the three dots. Then, we click on Settings and then Privacy and Security. We click on Cookies and other site data. We scroll down and click on See all site data and permissions. We type Roblox in the search bar and then click the trash icon. Then we click on Clear. We have cleared Roblox's cache files. Additionally, if we have any extensions related to Roblox, we also need to remove those extensions. To do this, we click on Extensions. Then, if we added extensions for Roblox, we remove those extensions. Now, we can uninstall Roblox from our computer. To do this, we go to the search section and open Control Panel. Then, we click on Uninstall a program. We find Roblox among our programs and then uninstall it. We have uninstalled Roblox. Now, all we have to do to download it again is to log into your Roblox account and click on any game. After doing this, we click on Download and Install. Then, we click on Roblox Player Launcher and then click on Run. We have installed Roblox. Before entering the game, don't forget to close any third-party programs like KRNL and disable 32-bit reverter. After entering the game, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If this solution didn't work for you, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. The reason we do this is that the Microsoft Store version of Roblox is more stable. To download Roblox, we open Microsoft Store and click on Roblox. Then, we click Install. We have installed Roblox. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.